Look at that. You can see structures, translucent structure. Look at that. The same thing that we saw in Enceladus. Wow. Well, see, they're all joined together. This is not individual anything. Look at that. These are no individual things flying freely on anything. It's an illusion, it's a holographic illusion that the entities are playing on us. See, all the objects are attached to each other. Look at that. I mean, look at that, man. And how the heck you gonna tell me this kind of bullshit that these are dancing lights? Really? And what do you call that? Right there. I mean, look at that. I mean, look at this thing. It's like a triangular, and it has a, I mean, they all attached to each other. What kind of deal is this, man? We're swimming into this thing. This is like a, look at that, right there. What kind of deal is that? You can see that this thing is like a block, and this deal down here is, I mean, this is hard to comprehend. Yeah, when you see it from far away and bright, and you see, oh, they're moving, and they're not. This thing is just vibrating. And look at this structure. That is not just an object. That thing is a complete structure. And see, they all attached to each other. All of them. Look at that. This is one weird deal. Look at that. You tell me. So NASA spent a long time deleting methodically all this. See how they deleted all these pieces in between? They're protruding from that dark medium. Look at that. I want to know what explanation NASA is going to give us when you show this up close. See how the objects bend and then they're attached to the background? And then you can see that they are deleted, a lot of deleted pieces. Look at that. See, look at that. What kind of shit is this, man? This is some what? Oh boy. From far away it looked like they are objects and stuff. From up close it looks something totally different. It looks like this is all linked to each other. Look at that. Look, there's a called Aurora. Well, what the heck is that orange deal? Really? The dancing lights. I mean, they're all linked. Look, they are all linked. But he's playing this. Ow. It's no individual anything. Look, they're all linked. That planet ain't nothing rotates. It's vibrating. And it appears like they're moving. No, they're not. The orbiter might be moving around this deal, but not these objects, these structures. That's what they look to me like. This is a complete different type of physics. And look at this thing. Look at that. See? They're protruding from that dark medium. Look at this one. Look, check it out. Wow, man, look at that. That is a structure, and it has a pair of eyes, and it has another, it looks like, geometrical straight lines. Gas would never look like that, like straight lines and stuff. Look at that, with specific geometrical shapes. Look at that. That's a huge structure. Or, yeah, or electromagnetic, whatever. Something is totally different here. Look at that one. Wow. See, the bright part might be that, but the whole object is that whole thing. And it's linked to all these other deals. Oh boy. Look at that. There's something totally different at work here. it out. Look at that, very geometrical, very. Gas cloud doesn't do a straight line. That's just not the right deal that we know of. Something else is at work here.